Here we go, another Modbus demonstration. So if you're not in the loop, this is the master, this is the slave with the water sensor, and this is the slave with the relay. So as you guessed it, I want to move this water into here. Now, the other neat trick I've added here is there is a safety feature. Basically, if the sensor doesn't provide any information, the pump will stop, and I will demonstrate that shortly. So let's power up the entire thing, and it will start moving the water. Yeah. Now, before it hits the sensor, I'll just remove the power supply, and it stops. Yeah. The master basically figures out, hey, this one is not up and running, so I might as well stop the pump. So yeah, and now if I just apply this without breaking anything, this should restart and pump the water up to the level of the sensor. There you go. That's it. Very basic, but yet interesting way to use Modbus. So as you can tell, it goes up really quite high and then stops pumping. So that's really it. That's the smart feature of this Modbus setup. And no, Huawei is not sponsoring this. So yeah, that's really it. I'm trying to make this more and more interesting. I'm gonna probably build a different contraption, but I'm just playing with different sensors and what I can really build with this. These are 3D printed. I've designed this to have a special little slits for the 5-volt water pump that I'm using for this. And this is all super easy and simple. I have a relay that has a USB. Well, it's a converter from like 7 volts from 7 to 30 volts to 5 volts. So that's what's actually powering this. And yeah, this is all good. So cheers for watching.